little slutty mingy. You're a little slutty mingy. You made yourself big and stinky and smelly, cause you're a little slutty.
Excuse me? What? Who? Tap that screen, but I don't know about the flipping the bean part. I don't. Oh my god. How am I supposed to do a live stream? This is the only nice one. This, okay, let me put my. Thank you for the honeybee song. Thank you. SM. King. Okay. Is it over? Are you guys finished? I've been trying to finish my live stream for the last. Okay. Are you finished now? No. Okay. I just want to tap my cork. I just want to tap my cork and whisper in my microphone. Is that so difficult? Is that so... People are here to sleep and relax. And look what you're doing. You're frightening them all away. Do you think any of these people in here are relaxing? No, they're not, because they can't. Because welcome to hell. This is Bigfoot's finest. What the fuck is this? Why is that so loud? Why? Just call me a freaking ambulance at this point. Jesus. Okay. You know.
Baby boy, honey, gotta love the way
you look at me. That's a very nice. It's fucking Bigfoot's font. I'm so proud of this. I'm at war with all those bitches singing loud songs. That's what I'm at war with. Thank you. That's, again, that's a nice one. Okay. Are we done yet? I've been asking for hours to please just let me return to my ASMR. My cork.
Zusammen.